Do you want to know how to invest more money at any age? Let's embark on a journey to understand the relevance of investing. It's more than just growing your wealth, it's about securing your financial future. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with 7 ways to invest more money, no matter your age. The first way to invest more money is through the stock market. Regardless of age, it's a viable option, requiring research and understanding of market trends. So the stock market is a great place to start your investment journey. The second way to invest more money is in real estate. It offers potential returns that hinge on location and market conditions. Real estate can be a solid investment if you know where to look. The third way to invest more money is through peer-to-peer lending. This method can yield significant returns but carries risks. Diversifying your investments is vital. Peer-to-peer lending can be a rewarding investment if done wisely. The next 3 ways to invest more money are bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. Bonds offer stability, acting as a safe harbor in stormy economic seas. Diversification is the key advantage of mutual funds, spreading risk across a variety of investments. Retirement accounts, while long-term, provide significant tax advantages and the power of compound interest over time. Bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts are safe and practical investment options. The 7th and final way to invest more money is to start your own business. Entrepreneurship offers immense rewards, yet carries risks. A solid business plan is paramount. Starting your own business can be the most rewarding investment of all. So there you have it, 7 ways to invest more money at any age. From the stock market's dynamic nature to the stability of real estate, the peer-to-peer lending's direct approach, the variety offered by bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts, to the autonomy of starting your own business. Each method offers unique opportunities. It's crucial to diversify your investments to maximize potential gains. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start investing. So why wait? Start investing today for a better tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one.